Hello, viewers. Welcome again to our course ReactJS portfolio website development for teens. Today we are on module 3, styling, layout, and visual identity. This is the module we are on. So on this module, we are going to be focusing on connecting CSS to React components. So here are the learning objectives on today's lesson. So after completing today's lesson, you must be able to understand the following things. These are the things you must be able to understand by the end of this lesson. So the website can have excellent functionality, but poor design can make it difficult to use. Let's imagine if it's not styled. We're talking about this. This is what we are talking about our portfolio website. Everything you see, the nav bar, the home, the nav bar, the project section, the about section, and the home panel. All these to be used properly, it is styled. So it's styled by CSS, and also the way it is written, the fonts, all these things they are done using CSS. So if you don't say it, it will be like scattered haphazard. So CSS allows developers to improve layout, colors, typography, spacing, visual appeal. So React supports multiple ways to aid CSS styling. So for this course, we use CSS modules, a method where each component is its own CSS file. This prevents style clashes between components and keeps your code organized so your project grows. So creating a CSS file. So today we are going to start by creating a hero.css file, and also we are going to demonstrate how it is going to be imported on the heroes CSS file. So let's go to the demonstration panel, which is the Visual Studio Code. So here is our hero.js file, which we have created when we were creating our hero section. So we are going to show you how is it going to work. So we have created the hero section, the hero JSX file, and then this is the hero section CSS file, which is going to style our hero section. So when we talk about the hero section, this is what we will be talking about. We once talked about it, but let's repeat it. Let's go to our portfolio. So this is what we call our hero section, which which tells us about the owner of the website, the professional role, and the brief description, and the contact section, and the project. So this is the hero section. This is the area where we are creating a CSS file. So here is the file. So hero section, in this section, I'm going to create the width. You put what you want, whether you want the minimum, the maximum, and then the pixel of 100%. You choose, if you choose 100%, it means it is going to cover the entire screen. Or else if you choose the pixel, like 1126 pixels, it will just choose the number of pixels when we choose say it about. If you talk about, you can choose the margin you want. If you say auto, it will automatically choose the margin for you instead of just putting the margin. And also, if you can put the display whether you want it to be in grid format or what, and the template maximum, the frames, you can choose the size of the frame and the alignment of items. So they want to be at the center, the left, right, on top, bottom, same as padding. And also you can choose the text alignment. Where do you want the text to be? Same. So this is the hero section CSS, where you will style the hero section. So after styling your hero section, then you will need to import it so that hero file can locate it. Because if you don't import it on hero JSX, your hero section won't be styled. So you come here and import it. So since it's in the same file it's in the same folder with the hero.jsx file, so you just import the hero section, the CSS. That's what you just import. That's what you just import. Because if you don't import it, it won't style. So this is after importing it, then that's when the project will be styled. And we were talking about the hero CSS file. This is the hero CSS files where you choose the width, the margin, the display. You can choose also, that's where you choose the colors, the frames you want to use. All those things they are chosen at least. And then after that, you can then import it to your hero.jsx file. So after importing it, that's when you will see your hero section now styled like this. That's when you see it's very styled. There's a pattern, text, color, alignment. You can see the image is aligned to the left, and then the text aligned at the right. And there's the pattern color, all that is chosen at the, it is styled on the CSS file. So to want to avoid consistent methods, a professional portfolio should have consistent colors, consistent spacing, consistent fonts. Because remember, uh, we once talked that the portfolio is the one which communicates with the potential recruiters for you. So if you don't style it, if there is no consistency, or it might be boring, or it might uh, chase away potential recruiters because it shows that you are disorganized. So everything must be organized. So that's all about the CSS. Who will meet on the next lesson. Today we are done with this lesson. I've shown you how to style your how to style your hero section, how to put the style. So the same way you did in styling the hero section is the same way you style all the components that you want. All the components, you do the same thing. You create, if you create the conduct.js, it's then you need to create also the conduct.css. And in all the JSX files, you need to import all the CSS files so that they can be styled. Styling whole component by component is easier because it you can quickly identify where you went wrong rather than doing studying the whole project. It might be hard for you to identify where the error is. So see you on the next lesson, which is design systems, colors, typography, and branding. So see you on the next lesson. Goodbye for now.